Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you can complete the update. Sign in as an admin, plug the device in, and confirm a stable network. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security and choose Windows Update. Click Check for updates and let Windows enumerate available patches. You download now so updates stage in background. This prevents mid-install failures. While it fetches, review any listed drivers or feature upgrades so you know what changes to expect and whether to postpone larger feature updates. Now manage the middle steps. Inspect optional and driver updates and decide if you want them. You should accept security and cumulative patches immediately. Delay big feature updates if you need more testing time. Once downloads finish, use restart options to schedule a reboot when you're free because installs often require restart. If a download stalls, enable delivery optimization, clear temporary update cache, or free disk space. These actions reduce corruption risk and help the update service complete without repeated attempts. Finish by restarting when prompted so Windows can apply changes. Do not interrupt the shutdown or restart sequence. After the system boots, open Windows Update and check update history to confirm successful installs and note any error codes. If something failed, uninstall the last update or run the Windows Update troubleshooter. If problems persist, reset update components or use System Restore to return to a stable point. Troubleshooting tip: when stuck, reboot, run the troubleshooter, then reset the Windows Update service before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.